What's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. This is another HackerRank challenge. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. If you like this kind of stuff, hit the like button on the video. It really helps me grow. Alright, well that's about it. Let's get into the video. Alright, so this is birthday cake candles. It says, you are in charge of the cake of your niece's birthday and have decided the cake will have one candle for each year of her total age. When she blows out the candles, she'll only be able to blow out the tallest ones. Your task is to find out how many candles she can successfully blow out. For example, if your niece is turning 4 years old and the cake will have 4 candles of height 4413, she will be able to blow out 2 candles successfully since the tallest candles are of height 4 and there are 2 such candles. Okay, so that's pretty self-explanatory. What I'm going to be doing is checking what the max of the array is. I think there's a max array method that I can use. I may be getting mixed up with Python, I'm not sure. If that's the case, it's going to make this super easy. The next challenge is figuring out how to find out how many are in there. Do I loop through the whole array? I guess that's what we could do. Just figure out what the max is and then loop through the array. It's pretty much what it's saying, and then you just output with a return. Alright, so let's see what happens. First, I want to Google array.max JavaScript math.max, like I said. Nice. 333. Okay, cool. So that's exactly what I was looking for. Alright, so let's let max equal r.math.max r, I think. I don't think I can pass in just a simple array. I think I have to spread it. Yeah, see, values. I think I have to spread it, but I'm going to check just in case because I'm not entirely sure. And then let's console.log max. Run code, see what happens. Your output undefined. So we do have to spread the values. That's easy. All you got to do is add ... And that should have fixed that. So we should see the max value. Your output std out. Expected output. What? Oh wait, is it even showing me? I feel so stupid right now. I feel so stupid. I wasn't even scrolling all the way down. For some reason when I would scroll, it would just, I don't know. Go back and tell me what happened. Leave a comment down below if you saw what happened. If you were like, come on dude, just scroll down bro, you're not even going all the way down. Do that. Leave a comment. And smash the like button. Alright, so that's pretty cool. I like that. Alright, so we know what our max value is. We want to create a count variable. I may be weird. I like to just have one let and then just kind of chain them like that. I don't know why. Let count equals 0. Just like so. I'm going to keep it consistent. Alright. Now, I'm going to array.forEach. Seems like we're going to be using a lot of for eaches here. Num, and we're going to say for each, I guess we'll just, if num equals max, then count plus equals 1. I hate that I had to do that, but hey. And then we would return count. See if that passes. So far, all of these are pretty easy. They're labeled easy, but I didn't think they'd actually be this easy. Alright, well that's it. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button if you like this video. Leave a comment down below. Tell me what you would like to see, anything like that, and I'll get right to it. Hope you guys are taking it easy.